Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. So you can see through all this stuff. Today I'm doing something new. As you know, we live in the northeast of England and it can be cold in the winters, so what I'm trying to do is grow some winter stuff, winter lettuce, lamb lettuce and some spinach in the polytunnel out there. So what we're going to do, this is going to be like a series of videos, so you'll see me starting off right way through to see if we get crops, if it fails or if it works okay. You know, I'm in this at the moment, I'm in this lovely greenhouse which is full of grapes, which you can see. That's why I'm sort of blocking us in the camera and all that. I should have set it up the other way. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm sieving some soil. So we've got some nice fine soil. So we can get some nice fine soil, it'll be easier for the plants. So I'm just using a sieve, getting it down. All this rubbish will go in a compost. As you see, I'm getting lovely and fluffy soil here, but I need quite a bit. So I'll come back to you when I've got all that done. Here I've got some nice sieved soil here. Get some vermiculite. And I mix that in with it. This will help with watering. So that's nice. All right. Get some trays. There's one. There's two. Go and find another one. I've done quite a bit here. Still does miss some get through. There's three. Right, go and find what I need. Excuse me if I'm leaving you on there a bit. I'm just getting the seed box out. And these are what we're putting in. Lamb's lettuce. Lettuce winter density and giant winter spinach. So I think I'm going to need a dibber. Now I should have one somewhere. I've got a screwdriver, that'll have to do. I did have some little ones. I don't know where they've been put. In here. Oh, there it is. My little dibber. So I'll dip a hole, 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 dip a hole. So that's that. So we'll get the spinach. I'll open that up. Lots of spinach in here. So I'll drop in a hole, in a hole, in a hole. That's the spinach, and I'll put a bit of soil back over the top to fill in the holes. I'll find a label. I've only got these big ones. Before I had some small ones, but I'll have to do. I need a pen. Which there should be one somewhere in here. Spinach. And the date. I always like to put the date on if I can find it. And it's the 20th. Of the 8th, 26. So that's that labelled. I put that there. That's going to be watered with the other two, and then it'll be ready. So you don't want to watch us put the other two in. So that's how it's done. So I'll move that, put the other two in, and show you when I've finished. Well, that's that done. I hope you enjoyed what I've just showed you there. As I say, this is going to be a monthly thing. So what we'll do is we'll come back next month, see how these seeds are doing, and then if we're ready to start emptying the polytunnel, we'll come back and do that. So this will be like a little bit of a series going on, see how we do over the winter. If it's a success, if it's not, it's not. It's something worth trying. So we'll catch you next time. So don't forget, part 2 coming up soon, and please don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy watching these. So bye for now.
Down the DRD allotment, grafting in the sun, seeds in the soil and the growing's just begun. Greenhouse warm and the bed's all neat. Nothing beats fresh veg you've grown to eat. Dig it, plant it, watch it grow. Bit graft a day, harvest tomorrow. Like, subscribe before you